Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for s in this equation 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 square raised to power s is equal to 63. We want to find the value of x. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power mn. Then this can be written as 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power these 2 multiplied by x. That is 2x is equal to 63. Now also, if you have a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Then this can be written as 3 raised to power x plus 2x is equal to 63. Then we have 3 raised to power x plus 2s, that is 3x is equal to 63. Now let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 3 raised to power 3x is equal to log 63. Then if you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b log a. Then this can be written as 3x log 3 is equal to log 63. Now let us divide both sides of this equation by log 3. This divided by log 3. This log 3 cancel this log 3. We have 3x is equal to log 63 over log 3. But 63 is equal to ẹ ń pariwo 7 multiplied by 9. Then 3x is equal to log 7 multiplied by 9 over log 3. 3x is equal to log 7 plus log 9 over log 3. And from here, then we have 3x is equal to log 7 over log 3 plus log 9 over log 3. But 9 is equal to 3 square. Then we have 3x is equal to log 7 over log 3 plus log 3 square over log 3. Then we have 3x is equal to log 7 over log 3 plus 2 log 3 over log 3. This log 3 cancel this log 3. This is same thing as log 7 over log 3 plus 2. But if you have log a over log b. This is equal to log a base b. Then this can be written as 3x is equal to log 7 base 3 plus 2. Now, if you divide the whole of this equation by 3, then x is equal to 2 plus log 7 base 3 over 3. And this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 to the power of x is equal to 63. And this is same thing as 3 raised to power 3x is equal to 63. Then if x is 2 plus log 7 base 3 over 3, we have 3 raised to power 3 bracket 2 plus log 7 base 3 over 3 must be equal to 63. This cancel this. This is same thing as 3 raised to power 2 plus log 7 base 3 must be equal to 63. Then here, this can be written as 3 square multiplied by 3 raised to power log 7 base 3 must be equal to 63. 3 square, this is 9 multiplied by the whole of this is if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. So this is 7 must be equal to 63. Now 9 times 7, this is 63, is equal to 63, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.